Hello everybody, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can change your birthday on Facebook. So first open your Facebook application and then in the top right corner click on this three bar icon and scroll down, then click on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Here in the top you can find media account center, just tap on here. Now here you can see personal details. Click on that and here in this page you can find birthday. Tap on this and here you can see your birthday and you need to click on edit and tap on this. Now here you can see you can change your birthday to whatever you want and change the date and click on set. After that you just need to click on save and your birthday will be changed. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.